Hi, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to stream your video games through Restream. So first of all, on your PC, you have to launch the video game that you want to stream. And then go to your Restream website, and after logging to your account, click on Create New Stream, and here select Restream Studio. And this is your Restream Studio dashboard. In here, you have to click on channels. And first of all, we have to add our social media accounts where we want to stream our video game. So click on Add Channels and go ahead and add one or multiple channels to stream your video game. So I've already connected my Twitch account. So from this list, I'm just turning on my Twitch account. So I want to stream my video game using Restream to my Twitch account, and then I'm clicking on Close. Once my Twitch account added as a channel, then if you want to stream your game, just click on Share Screen, and here select Window, and from this window list, you have to select your game window, and then just click on Share. And now go back to your Restream, and here just click on Go Live. And now I've successfully started to stream my video game on my Twitch account through Restream. Let's go to our Twitch account Stream Manager dashboard to show you. As you can see, Restream is now streaming my video game on my Twitch account. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.